सो आप लोगों ने अभी तक P4 के अंदर यू एंड इंक्लूडिंग AS के अंदर you guys have learned a lot of pre-existing algorithms, especially the searching and sorting algorithm. So whenever someone comes up with these algorithms, so there is a maths that's go behind it to find out its big O notations equation. So what big O notation does is it is used to analyze the time space complexity of an algorithm. Hence its efficiency based on के आपकी एरे का साइज़ क्या है, तो कौन सा एल्गोरिदम एफिशिएंट होगा और सर्चिंग के अंदर एंड सॉर्टिंग के अंदर. So there are certain formulas that you need to know. So I will try my best कि without even going into the detail of the maths, मैं आप लोगों को वो formula logically explain कर सकूँ. So let's see the time complexity first of all with the search algorithms that you guys have studied in the A2. So if you remember in AS we started our search algorithm based on linear search of an array. So इसके अंदर जब भी big O notation find करते हैं तो we say the best case scenario and the worst case scenario. So the best case scenario is कि you found your element on the first index. ठीक है. So this means कि how many searches or comparison you performed? Simply one comparison and you found your search result. So that's the best case scenario. Similarly, in the bubble sort, what's the best case scenario? Okay, you found your element at the pivot location. So again, how many comparison did you perform? Only one comparison. So this is your, again, the best case scenario for binary search as well. Okay. So both cases may the best case is कि there is a one comparison and you find your value. Now let's see कि what's the worst case scenario in the linear search. तो linear search के अंदर you kept on searching from first index till the nth element. So either you find your element in the last comparison or you don't even find it at all, but you still have made n comparisons. ठीक है. So the worst case is ON. Okay. So now what's the worst case in the binary search is that you kept on dividing, conquering and reached to this phase where there is only the last element in your array. So the last elements mean that either this is the element or this is not the element and you will say that no search results are found. So this will be your worst case scenario. So here just because you are dividing and conquering, so आपका जो worst case का होता है वो होता है log of 2n. ठीक है. So इसको थोड़ा सा एक analyze कर लेते हैं of one type of questions that have come like बहुत 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 पहले इसके they said कि the size of the array is 64. So how many comparison maximum will be performed in a worst case scenario or how many comparison simply maximum will be performed? तो उसका सिंपल सा आंसर ये था कि आप लोगों ने log of n फाइंड करना था. सो सिंपली जो आपका बड़ा एक CS का फार्मूला चलता आ रहा है, सो अल्टीमेटली दिस वुड बी 2x should be 64. So x will be what value? So this value will be your number of comparison. ठीक है. So x की what do you guys think will be the value here? So if you don't have a calculator and you forgot, so इसका simply लिख लिया करो 1 place value से याद कर लो कि 1 2 4 8 16 3 32, and finally 64. So what is 64? This is 2 raised to power 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So आपकी x की वैल्यू क्या आती है? बेसिकली आपकी x की वैल्यू आ जाती है कि this will be 6 comparison, right? Again, my whiteboard is not responding to me. So finally, so this will be 6 comparisons. ठीक है? So अब थोड़ा सा हम लोग याद करने के पार्ट पे आ जाते हैं, which is the space complexity in your syllabus. So they can simply ask for 1 marks के what is the formula or big O notation of a space complexity of linear search algorithm. So वो O1 है, ठीक है, क्योंकि लीनियर सर्च के अंदर आप इसको इस तरह से मूव करोगे कि एक ही लूप इटरेशन होगी. अब दूसरा जो है फिर बाइनरी सर्च का है आइट्रेटिव and recursive. So unfortunately, without even going into much of the detail, because there is a lot of maths behind it, so you can simply memorize these formula for space complexity of search, linear and binary के आगे क्योंकि there is a iterative solution and then there is a recursive solution, तो वो आपको आइडिया हो जाएगा कि किसका पूछ रहे हैं. Okay, now there is another algorithm that you guys have studied, which is a sorting algorithm. So insertion sort and bubble sort. ठीक है? So the best case scenario is कि when the list is already sorted. So that's what the best case scenario here. So here you know कि in a bubble sort you need at least one bubble to figure out in an optimized algorithm कि whether the list is sorted or not sorted. So that's what it means here. And the worst case scenario is that both the double loops will do full iteration. So that's why n square is there. Similarly, in insertion sort, if the list is already sorted, so you still have to shift, क्योंकि एक key बन जाती है ना, so you still have to shift n elements and then compare it with the n elements to find कि इसकी राइटफुल प्लेस कहाँ पर है. सो आपको n एलिमेंट्स को की राइटफुल प्लेस फाइंड करनी पड़ती है, ऑल्दो वो वही पॉइंट होगा जहाँ पे वो होंगे. दैट्स द केस ऑफ इंसर्शन सॉर्ट. सो फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर मैं कहती हूँ कि एक लिस्ट है जो कि सॉर्टेड है इन द ऑर्डर यू वांट, ठीक है. सो फॉर एग्जांपल कोई भी लिस्ट ले लेते हैं. अब इसके अंदर ये होगा कि ये सारे एलिमेंट्स की बन के अपनी राइटफुल पोजीशन ढूंढने की कोशिश करेंगे, ऑल्दो वो उसी जगह पे आके रुकेंगे जहाँ पे जिनको अभी करंटली है. सो दैट्स वाई द बेस्ट केस के अंदर भी ओ एन इज़ योर फार्मूला एंड वर्स्ट केस अगेन के देर आर डबल लूप्स एंड द बोथ द लूप्स विल डू इट्स फुल इटरेशन. एंड वर्स्ट केस ये क्या होता है कि you want to sort it in ascending but it exists currently in a descending order. So in sorting algorithm, always remember the worst case means कि you want to sort it in one way but the list exists in the other order. ठीक है? So hope this big O notation is clear. Mostly थोड़ा सा रट्टा है, लेकिन बेस्ट केस और वर्स्ट केस को जितना मैं विदाउट मैथ्स एक्सप्लेन कर सकती थी आई ट्राइड. तो बाकी समर हॉलीडेज़ में यू कैन सी द मैथ्स बिहाइंड इट. चलो टेक केयर, फिर अल्लाह हाफिज़.